Welcome to the journey where Jen and Mike, two travel professionals, taking you along for the ride.
It's not a traditional select where you want to go, and it's saying we're gonna go to elevator number 3. Quick shot of the lounge here. Renaissance Midtown Manhattan. Over there is where you'll get your appetizers during the 5:30 to 7:30 reception that they have. Morning time, light breakfast with bagels, cereal, stuff of that nature. Here's some coffee. This is open 24 hours. You can take water or sodas. We're back here with another one, Jen Uncle's Journey, and we're not at the Moulin Rouge. We're in New York City. Some fancy artwork here. We're at the Renaissance Midtown Manhattan. We enter the room here. Oh, hey, Jen.
Oh, hey, guys. So Michael just explained we are in the garment district, and before I knew that, I said, whoa, this is interesting art to see the Chanel logo on there, but now that makes sense. So here is the bathroom right when you first come in. It is a frosted door, just something to note. So if you are staying with more than one person and they are up in the middle of the night, you will also be up in the middle of the night.
A standard toilet here, a magnifying mirror.
Love it. Want to see it at every hotel we go to. I am sitting in the shower. I'm currently in the shower here. We just checked in. We just got to our room. We're up on the 18th floor. So far, so good. What do you think, Michael?
I'm liking it. Nice location. I can't complain about that. Yeah, we're digging this hotel.
First time seeing what we have in here for the amenities. I am a huge fan of Avita products. Huge fan of Avita. If you know, you know, my little travel hack with shampoo and conditioner.
The cool thing about this location is if you come to visit New York City, you're taking the Amtrak. This is about 2 streets from Penn Station. You gotta make sure you take the 8th Avenue exit because there's also an exit that drops you off at 9th Avenue, and then you'll be going the wrong way. If you're going to a Rangers or Knicks game or a concert in Madison Square Garden, that's also very close.
A nice closet, actually. I do like this 2 full-length mirrors, which you don't get in hotels very often. There is a fridge. We have not filled that up. You know it will be in there soon. Probably some
handy dandy Bud Lights or Nutrients for the lovely lady.
Coffee maker, some coffee cups, extra storage area up there. There is an ironing board, and that extra space for your luggage.
This is not tucked in. I don't like when the hotels do the lazy job with the housekeeping. Tuck in those sheets.
Tuck them in. When we first came in, I said, what is this? I was like trying to figure out, is it like some way to amplify your music or a speaker? It's kind of like a ceramic plastic type situation. Oh, no, that's just a scratch. So it is just a button decoration.
Yeah.
A couple bedside lights. We have not sat in the bed yet because we want to show you what it looks like when we arrive. Nice long desk area here, which I appreciate because that gives you place to put your bags, your belongings, your keys as you're in and out of the room. Little drawer, couple plugs, decent TV. We do have our most recent trip to Mexico playing in the background there when Michael won bingo. If you haven't watched it yet, please do. A couple glasses and ice bucket. We used our lounge access to grab a couple of bottles of water. Do the big reveal.
Is the view a cheers or a cheers?
All right, let's see. We are here in the month of January. It is snowing. I'd say it's a cheers.
We've seen better in New York City, particularly our review on Canal Street at the Sheraton Canal Street. That was also Marriott. Maybe we'll do a video where we compare the two because this one has a lounge also, so we'll check out the lounge. And this one also has a rooftop bar. This lounger here, if you just want to take a nap here, maybe with a sunset or something with the buildings there.
Or maybe if you want someone to draw you like one of their French women.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's a good one. I'll be Leo, you be Kate.
I'd love to see that drawing.
No clock, as we can see for the Jen Uncle's Journey.
No clock. Clocks are phasing out. If you've seen our last few videos, clocks are phasing out. But I think a dust test is in order on that TV.
First. Oh, I already feel it. Yeah, let's pick up. Oh. Yep, we got more pick. Swiffers.
Use the Swiffers, ladies.
And tuck in those sheets.
That's the view from the outside of the shower. So it is frosted.
The hotel, you also get a free complimentary drink. This is a raspberry gin and tonic. Right next to the hotel is a bar called Jack Doyle's Pub. Jack Doyle was a famous Irish boxer many moons ago, and this is the pub in his honor. 5-minute walk from the hotel, you have the Lazzara Pizzeria, world famous. For the second pizza, we went with the biggest fad going on in the United States right now, which is vodka sauce on everything. All day vodka. So we got a vodka and pepperoni pizza. A 7-minute walk from the hotel is a place called Boqueria, which is in a fellow Marriott AC hotel. And this is a tapas place. And we got the patatas bravas. We got some shrimp with aioli and bread. Let's get 1 to 10, that's a high 8. So my dad's here. What'd you rank the shrimp dish, Pops?
8.
8. What do you rank the patatas bravas here?
2.
The jamon grilled cheese?
Well, that was a 7.
7. And my brother's here, the one that a few years ago lost in Connect 4. What did you rank the jamon dish?
7.5.
7.5. And the other jamon dish? Yeah, he had 2 jamon dishes, this gentleman here.
5.
And what about that anchovy dish that's empty now?
Like a 3.
Thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe for future content and follow us on Instagram at Jenicle's Journey for more behind-the-scene footage. Check out our latest video from a recent stay at Foxwoods Resort Casino in the next state over, Connecticut.